Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to go through the top 5 best low leverage Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. Firstly, leverage is the use of borrowed funds from the broker to increase one's trading position beyond what would be available from the individual trader's balance alone. Forex traders will often use leverage to profit from small price changes in currency pairs. Now let's get into our list of the top 5 best low leverage Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Alpari. Alpari is a globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts with up to 4 tradable base currency options, floating and fixed spreads, swap-free options, and more. Alpari also allows you to change your leverage, giving you the freedom to set your own. However, lowering your leverage with Alpari will subject you to stricter margin requirements. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in at number 4, we have XM. XM is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Micro, Standard, XM Ultra Low, and Shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, a variety of tradable base currency options, as well as offers for flexible leverage, depending on the account type opened with XM, allowing you to choose your desired risk level. XM also offers their very own educational center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. At number 3, we have Go Markets. Go Markets is an online, fully regulated Australian financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, indices, metals, and commodities. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Standard and Go Plus accounts, with up to 9 base tradable currency options, a variety of market instruments and trading tools, lower leverage options, and more. Go Markets also provides their very own trading academy, which covers beginner's guides to Forex trading, free Forex educational courses, as well as a variety of video tutorials to help you with any additional education you might be looking for. Coming in at number 2, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, as well as the option to select the leverage that works for you under certain conditions. Exness also provides their very own trading academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to browse through as you please. At last but not least, coming in at number 1 on our list of the top 5 best lower leverage Forex brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, bonds, individual shares, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Avatrade provides a variety of leverage options depending on the platform and product that you select. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, the Best Affiliate Program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online financial broker. And those are the top 5 best low leverage Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.